Hello, Silver Community. It's Sterling Cannabis with you once again. And today, we've got a little bit of an unboxing. We got a couple of boxes here to open up for you. And we got the knife to do a little package opening. So how you guys doing? This virus thing seems to maybe be finding some relief for us, I hope. And here's the package. I got a little invoice in here I'll get rid of, and then we'll show you what we got. And here it is. Oh, this is Provident Metals, by the way. 10 pesos. Gold. Look at that. Yep. Just a hair under a quarter ounce. But it goes so nicely with my 20 pesos, 20 pesos, and my 2 pesos. So now I've got 32 pesos of Mexican gold. It's 90% gold. The premiums on it are as low as any I can find online. And I have found the 2 pesos, 2.5 pesos that I gave to my son at Spot, at LCS's. It's Mexican gold. They're our neighbor. I really, really like it. So right now I'm 3 coins away from having a complete set. I need a 2.5 pesos for my collection, and a 5 pesos, and then the big boy, the 50. The 50's 37.5 grams of gold. And then this one here, this is Apmex. This is my helicopter drop. What an adventure this has been. I ordered this stuff more than 3 weeks ago, and it just came in the day before yesterday. I mailed them a check. That took a couple of days, 3 days, and they acknowledged that it was there. Now look at this. Roll of dimes. And a roll of dimes. There's 7.5 ounces of silver. And there's some paperwork that you don't want to see. And then from Apmex, get the right orientation on this. 1/2 ounce Philharmonic. Oh yeah. But these are basically, here. I'll put this up here with my other Philharmonic, my 1/10 ounce. But this is basically my helicopter drop. It was $1,149 and some cents for a 1/2 ounce and then 7.5 ounces. These should all be rosies. Well, we can open them up. That ain't no big deal, because I'm just going to be putting them in with the rest of my constitutional. But this was my helicopter drop. Like I said, 3-4 days after I mailed them the check, I got a confirmation email from Apmex. Yeah, they're all decent looking rosies. stuff back here. But just decent looking rosies. $10 worth, or about 7.5 ounces. Nothing special, but silver and gold. Gotta love it. But when AppMex mailed this out to me, they sent me an email and said, it's in the mail. Took 2 days. Got to Pontiac. Pontiac is a suburb on the north side of Detroit. Now, my postal agent, my postmaster here at my little local post office that only has one employee, she told me that down in Detroit that on average day they're working on about a 25% employee show up because of the Rona. Well, so stuff is moving through there slow. It sat in the post office in Pontiac for 6 days once it got there. Then it went to Detroit for a day, then back to Pontiac, then to Mount Pleasant or Bay City before it got to me. It took 3 weeks. It's not AppMex's fault. It's not the post office's fault. They're just dealing with what they got to deal with. But I finally got my silver and I got my gold, and I'm a happy boy. I do have another video that I will put up in a day or so because I got some mail that I want to show you, but it would be a little bit much to put it all in one video. Sticker trades. If you guys want one of my stickers, my email, my address are down below. You can write me. You can email me. I'd love to do sticker trades. If you don't have stickers, just let me know. I'll send you one. It's okay. But with all, and hello, Billy. With all of that, and I'm real stoked. My plan is with both of these. On the Mexicans, you can see I've got 3 of the coins. With Philharmonics, I got 2 of them. But eventually, I want to have a full set in each one. That's interesting looking reading on the side of that. I don't know if it's showing up for you, but it's like every 5th read is a lot stronger hit than the ones before it. That's really, I just noticed that. That's kind of cool. But I will be doing a video probably tomorrow on the mail that I've got. I want to leave you with one little thought. I heard this yesterday and it struck me, and I think I'm going to be using it quite a bit from now on. It's a quote from Benjamin Franklin. If you are willing to give up a bit of your liberty for a bit of safety, you deserve neither liberty or safety. I agree with that 100%. We never shut down this country for the Spanish flu, which was a real pandemic and really devastated the world. The people that died from this virus died a horrible death, don't get me wrong. But there was no reason to shut anything down. And there was no reason to keep any of the truth from people about how this thing could have been dealt with. But it's coming to an end. And ooh, look at this. They're not all rosies. I found a Merc. That's okay. It's only one. But I did definitely order rosies because I want them a little less wore out. But yeah, that's the only Merc in there. Peace out, guys. Get you some of this stuff. Set some goals. One of the things that this purchase did right here is it put me on the ratio that I want to be on of 1 gram of gold for every 10 ounces of silver I have. I hope you have a goal. I hope you have some things that you're working towards. Peace out, my friends.